guys, there's a car in the building. If you ain't seen this video, you have to check it out, because this car literally just goes and plows the building, and I'm sure that guy's deductible is going to be outrageous. As you can see, he almost Grand Theft Autos it. Almost, you know, Grand Theft Auto like no happen. At least I don't think. But yeah, pretty shocking little video. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that. I wanted you guys to check it out. I thought that was kind of a shocking little video, and if you ain't seen it, it was, you know, pretty much worth watching. I thought so. Yeah, you don't see it every day, and I'm sure it was pretty shocking for them, and shocking as it probably was for you. Now, if it's the first time seeing my videos in my channel, check my channel out. All kinds of different content on there, and become a subscriber, you know. I appreciate it if you do. And until next time, I'll see you then. Bye-bye now.